In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to receive customer payments in Xero in just 5 minutes. If you're a small business owner or someone who handles accounts receivable, knowing how to efficiently record customer payments can streamline your bookkeeping process, keeping your financials up to date and accurate. Let's dive in, shall we? First things first, head over to the Xero website and log into your account. You'll find the login option prominently displayed on the homepage. Enter your email and password to access your account. It might be a good idea to double check your credentials if you encounter any issues logging in. Once you've successfully logged into Xero, navigate to your dashboard. This is your command center, giving you an overview of your finances. Now locate the business menu along the top navigation bar. Click on it and from the drop down menu select invoices. This is where you'll find a detailed list of all invoices associated with your account. Look for the awaiting payment tab. This is critical because it organizes all invoices that are yet to be paid and you'll want to concentrate on those. Next, review the invoices in the awaiting payment section and select the invoice for which you've received payment. Clicking on the invoice will bring up its details, allowing you to check all associated information. Find the Add Payment button and click on it. This action will prompt you to enter the payment details. Let's take a moment here. You'll need to input the payment amount, the date of payment, and select the account that the payment will be deposited into. Be sure to correctly choose the account as this impacts how your financials are organized and reported. After selecting the account, it's time to enter a reference for this payment. References can be anything that helps you identify or track this transaction later, like a customer name or an invoice number. Once everything is filled out, confirm the details and click on Add. Doing this records the payment against the selected invoice, updating the status in your records. Next up is sending the payment receipt. Return to the invoice overview where you will find the Send Receipt option. Select this to draft an email to your customer. Take a moment to review your receipt email format. It should be clear and professional. You'll often find an option to send me a copy, and it's advisable to check this box. This provides you a record of the correspondence, which can be crucial for tracking and verifying transactions later on. Finally, complete the process by hitting Send. And there you have it, a quick and seamless way to receive and record payments in Xero. This efficient process not only keeps your financial data current, but also enhances your customer service by ensuring timely communication. Thanks for watching, and I hope this was helpful for your day-to-day business operations. Until next time.